I'm Neil O'Hanlon. I'm a litigation partner at Hogan Lovells. Well, most recently the work has been on behalf of the Early Care and Education Project, and the most recent case that we brought was a lawsuit against the City of Vista. What had happened was the city wanted to adopt a new ordinance to regulate what's known as large family daycare homes. Unfortunately, from everyone's perspective, the ordinance that they were proposing to adopt violated state law in numerous respects. Public counsel lawyers, Pam Schmidt, Carla Pleitez, advocated against the adoption of the ordinance, but the city would not listen, and so litigation followed. We brought a lawsuit. That got the city's attention, and we entered into lengthy negotiations to revise the ordinance that they had just adopted to bring it into compliance with state law. And we were successful. We got a new ordinance passed. We also had the city pay $30,000 towards the attorney's fees that were incurred in the case, and so that goes directly to public counsel. Well, in this particular instance, it's vitally important because working people need to have the option, which is available to them under state law, to have their children cared for in a home facility in the community where they live. I had worked with Pam previously on an earlier case against a different city, and so I knew Pam and I knew all of her knowledge and talents and the great wealth that she brings to help all the volunteer attorneys. Working with Carla, it was the first time for me, and it was a delight. She's bright, she's talented, she's enthusiastic about what she does. I think when you think of people like Pam and Carla, they epitomize for me what public counsel is. Public counsel is the staff, it's the dedicated lawyers who do this day in and day out, and we, the volunteer attorneys, for us it's a privilege to work with them. I want to thank public counsel for this recognition. I gratefully accept it on behalf of not only myself but also the other lawyers at the firm. It means a lot to me to get the recognition because of my great respect for public counsel.